AXA Travel Insurance CEO Jesus Carmona outlines for News Insurances the company's global presence and strategy. But first, he comes back on 2010's financial results.
The idea of having four main business lines is because, one, there is the need of the partners and the need of the customers at the end, but also because with and through a much better focus on these lines, we are going to be able, and we have demonstrated that already in 2010, to grow the business in a much better way, and also to accompany and to secure our business and grow new businesses also. Which means that if I take the comparison between 2009 and 2010, the growth of the travel business has gone from 19% share of the group to 25% in 2010. And the group by itself has grown from 2009 to 2010 by more than 5%. If we keep like to like in terms of currency exchange rates. In terms of profitability, the same. So I mean, we have been able, through the first result of I would say the mutualization of some processes and so on, to improve also the profit. At group level, we went from 12.6 million net profit to 20 million, as I said. From the travel perspective, we went from 4.2%, roughly speaking, to 5.2% of profitability, level of profitability in 2010. We are operating at a global level, and that means that we are often, most of the time, answering needs or answering or bringing solution anywhere in the world. And the fact that we have a single IT platform gives us the opportunity to be much more proactive with our partners. We are able to understand exactly which kind of solution we need to bring anywhere, because everybody is working with the same kind of tool. We can access through the web to this I will say understanding of the cases and being much more proactive, plus the fact that we can be much more productive, because that helps in implementing the right and the same processes everywhere in the world. So we can standardize the level of quality of service we are bringing today to the markets. As any other industries, we are seeing geopolitical changes, but also an economical change in terms of new markets and emerging markets becoming more and more important. If I take China, China is going to be in the next future a very important market, and has already started, by the way. The same for India, the same for Brazil, if I take the Latin American continent. And we know that in those countries you have two phenomena. The first one is the fact that the growth is normally double-digit, which is great. And the second element is effectively you have a power of purchasing which is increasing, which allows those people, these inhabitants in these countries, to have access to new services, and they are ready to pay for that because they are eager to benefit from that as well. So this is important. In Europe or the more mature markets, obviously our position is strong today, and we want to maintain and to secure these positions, making sure that we do the right decision in terms of maintaining and securing this business with less growth maybe, but trying to improve the level of profitability in each market where we want to operate, in Europe, for example, or in the US or more mature markets.